Welcome back to another episode of Jag on a Budget. Today I'm going to talk about something strange that happened with my Jaguar S-Type. One day I'm driving up a hill in third gear on a very smooth road. All of a sudden I hear a loud bang and followed by a metallic clink. So I stop and backtrack, and I pick up this large, about 10-inch long bolt. Put it in the car. I continued driving home. I didn't feel anything strange, but when I got home, I searched, did some research, whether this was just something I ran over or whether it was in fact from the car, and it is. It is from the Jaguar. It's one of 4 subframe bolts that hold the subframe to the body, and it just broke through age or fatigue or whatever, combination of both, I guess. And so today I'm going to show you how to replace this. This is a specialty bolt, so I ordered the original part. I'm going to show you the part number in a bit. And so of course the problem was, when this broke, it left a part of the bolt and a retaining nut at the top. This is what it is, and this is accessible through the wheel well, and it's attached to the body from the top, and this goes in from the bottom. So this obviously came out, and this thing, I just needed to find a way to get this out. So what this is, it's like a welded nut. It's got 2 clips on it that hold it and keep it from spinning at the top of the wheel well. And so this was a major pain to get this out. What I did is I tried to try the double nut method and tried to twist this out, but of course, because of the age and the rust, that was never going to work. So what actually happened is I ended up breaking the 2 little clips here, and it just pulled this out. So then what I did is just I got the replacement nut with the retainer and the replacement bolt and put everything back together. I'm going to get in there and show you how it looks. So in order to access the top of the subframe bolt from the top, from the wheel well, what I had to do was move the strut out of the way. So in order to do that, I of course had to remove the upper control arm and the sway bar link, disconnect the sway bar link, and I also disconnected the tie rod end. And then this just kind of swings down, this whole assembly swings down, and you can get the strut out of the way. And then inside this opening over here, this is where the retaining nut actually is. This is for the subframe bolt. So this is already has been replaced. That's the new retaining nut, and the new subframe bolt is already sticking through it. And this is where this original rusty part originally was, and I kind of had to get it out with brute force because these retaining clips down here, there's no way to get to them and squeeze them so that you can pull this out. So brute force did it, and the new part is in place now. From the bottom, it's really easy to get to. You can see the head of the bolt right there. This subframe design is actually shared among several Jaguar models, the S-Type, the XF, and a few others. I hope this helps you if you get the same problem and a subframe bolt just snaps on you. Until next time, this is Jag on a Budget.